I'm Dominic Montesa. I am the supervisor here at Hilton Manila. My duties and responsibilities here is to leading and supervising staff, assigned tasks and monitoring performance, providing constructive feedback and addressing performance issues, maintaining a positive and productive work environment, ensuring guest satisfaction, handling guest complaints and resolving issues, and ensuring that all guest service are delivered to the highest standard. The Hilton Manila is located at 1 Newport Boulevard, Newport City, Manila, 1309 Philippines. It is situated within the Resorts World Manila Complex, which is adjacent to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. The hotel is also minutes away from the city center and business district. So after that, I will tell you all the offers here at Hilton. So the Hilton Manila offers a range of service, product, facilities, amenities, and room types to cater to diverse guest needs. So for the product and service, we offer breakfast included to fuel your day with complimentary breakfast for every registered guest. Each night of your stay, next is the Freestyle Pool Bar to enjoy a relaxing midday lunch or after dinner cocktails, and also the Hilton has a a bar with a different ambience for drinks. Lastly, we have a foodie staycation package to enjoy buffet breakfast and dinner at various on trip featuring global flavors in elegant ambience. So for the facilities and amenities, our hotel have a outdoor pool, fitness center, casino, performing arts, and theater and movie complex, and so on. For the room types and sizes, our hotel have a king room that features one king bed, two double room that features two double beds, executive room that offers additional amenities and services. Executive double room features two double beds and executive amenities. Pool view room offer view of the swimming pool. One bedroom king suite to provides a separate living area, and one king bed governor suite that offers two double beds, one king bed, and luxurious amenities. Hilton Manila faces competition from various hotels in the Manila area, particularly those targeting similar clients and offering comfortable amenities. Here is some competitors of our hotel. Shangri-La Asia, Four Seasons Hotels and Resorts, and also Marriott International. The Hilton Manila is not a franchise. It is a managed hotel under the Hilton Worldwide brand. This means that while it operates under the Hilton brand and adheres to Hilton standards, it is not owned or operate by a franchise. Instead, Hilton Worldwide owns or manages the hotel directly. This distinction is important because it means the hotel is directly overseen by the Hilton brand, ensuring consistent and quality and adheres to Hilton standard. Lastly, the Hilton Manila has a strong presence online and its performance is various platforms, including TripAdvisor, Hilton website, Wikidata, and other hotel websites.